Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Panasonic TV if it won't turn on and you're just seeing a blinking or flashing red light. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try here is really the simplest, and in most cases this one will actually work, so you might not even need to go on. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. Now this is a lot different than switching the remote on and off, so do it from the wall plug. If this solves your problem, you're set. If not, let's go on to the next try. Okay, the next thing I want you to try is I want you to remove both batteries from the remote control. Once you've removed the batteries, I want you to hold down the power button on the remote for 15 seconds. Now just don't do it for 5 seconds, do it for the full 15. Then put the batteries back in the remote and try to turn on the TV.